Hello everybody, we're going to be working on lesson 9 today, and we're working on page 45. Today we're going to be working with rounding again, but we're focusing on everything that we've learned so far. So rounding to the 1,000, rounding to the 10,000, and finally rounding to the 100,000. So this is just going to be practice. Why? Well, remember, we are focusing on learning our place value. So if you know where to round, you understand place value. And if you're able to round accurately, you are going to be able to estimate going to further lessons. And estimating is a really friendly way for us to get close and to be accurate. So the why is place value, knowledge, and to estimate in future lessons. So let's practice a few of them. So I'm going to start with my first one. I'm going to start rounding, and I'm going to start with A. So with A, I am rounding to the nearest 1,000. I'm going to write this on the side so that you can see. This is my ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands. So I have 6,000 here. And if you want to make a vertical number line, you can. Where I have 6,000 as my thousands place. My minimum would be 6,000. My maximum would be the next 1,000, which would be 7. And my midpoint would be 6,500. And where would 6,800 round to? Well, if you look at the 8, that is a large number, and I go right here, 6,842. So it would round up to 7,000. Okay. If you want to use a vertical number line to help you with today's lesson, you totally can. It is entirely up to you if you feel comfortable rounding. Here, I am going to round 88,999 to the nearest 10,000. So I'm going to rewrite this. And this is my ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and 10,000. So I am looking at this 8 10,000s, which is 80,000. I'm going to use a vertical number line to represent that. So 8 10,000s or 80,000 is going to be my minimum. What's after 80,000? 90,000. What's my mid? I have 5,000, and I put it 8. So 8,000 or 85,000. Remember I'm looking at the digit over, looking at that 8. That's very high. That's over 5,000. So I know 88,999 is going to go between 90 and 85,000. It's going to round up to 90,000. Perfect. Okay, and then for my last one, I am rounding to the nearest 100. I'm rounding to the nearest 100,000. I have 89,659. I'm looking for my 100,000 as my ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000. Ooh. So I have nothing in the 100,000s yet. It is 0, but I'm looking at this 8, and that's awfully high. So we're probably going to round to the first 100,000. So minimum, midpoint, maximum. So I have 0. I have 100,000, and I have 50,000. Where's 89,000 go? Well, it's going to go pretty high. It's going to go right here. So I know I'm going to round up to 100,000. Okay, so 100,000 is going to be what we round up to. All right, everybody. Do the rest, rounding to the nearest 1,000, rounding to the nearest 10,000, rounding to the nearest 100,000, using a vertical number line.